how to download the data that you receive when you configure your TFM-CDLS Cloud Data Logger to send you an email with data. We first click Google Template. If you already have this open, you won't need this. We're going to click Use Template, and show up is Toolbox, Run Analytics. We need to give authorization to run analytics. Continue. I'm going to select my Gmail account. It's my main one I use. Click Advanced. The purpose of this is to protect you by Google. Google's philosophy, just like that of Excel, is that macros are a no-no. I can tell you the macro I'm giving you is totally happy, so you can trust this export data analytics and click Allow. It will then also send you an email, tell you your Google account did some bad thing, which is for your safety. Toolbox, Run Analytics. We're now going to go grab the URL from the email, right-click, copy link address. We're copying the link address of the export log. We're going to copy it into here, right-click, paste. Click Run. The data will show up. The data is based on the time, 4:19, starting at 8:01. This one starting at 8 o'clock. We can set the date, start date, and start time. The data is here. The start time is 1:00:28, 1:00. Let's start at 1:01 and go for some hours. So the summary analog 1:01, 1:01 and 24. And so we'll see the data for this particular thing where this machine turns on and off, and it'll fill out the rest of it while it's busy working. Okay, changing the scale. So here's 24 hours of data. And then you can click this, and just like you can with Excel, you can, spy on things. You can make it for 1 hour and see what 1 hour looks like. Then the data is here. You can extract it. You can extract the entire data set from here and do whatever parsing you got to do using whatever method you want. So that's it in a minute, showing you how to get the data out of your email.